What's happening, everyone? Thanks for joining me for this virtual ANC cooking demonstration. Hope everyone's doing well. I am Jet Tila with Schwann's Food Service, and I'm here to show you another quick and easy Asian menu idea. In this video, I want to show you how to make a simple and delicious Asian-style salad using the MINH orange chicken stir-fry kit. Kids really love the flavor of orange chicken and they want to see more of it in their school menus. This salad recipe is super fun and a flavorful way to get the kids to eat more vegetables. Let's do this. All right, so for this recipe, we need the orange chicken kit, which is basically the orange sauce, MINH less sodium orange sauce, the frozen chicken that's breaded. We have some shredded lettuce, shredded carrots, and some canned mandarin orange. What's really great about this kit is it's so easy and delicious, right? The orange less sodium sauce comes in a pre-portioned bag. This chicken is fully cooked. It's a commodity chicken, so it's a really great way to get protein and deliciousness for a very economical cost. The first thing you want to do is bring a large pot of boiling water to the boil, and we're gonna thaw this sauce by simply submerging the bag right into that sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes. So while that sauce is thawing and heating up, we're gonna focus on the chicken. All I'm gonna do is take a clean 2-inch hotel pan. I'm gonna give it a quick spray down with some pan spray, and we're gonna get this chicken heating. I've preheated an oven to 350 degrees. We'll get this chicken kind of nice and evenly trayed up, and this is gonna cook uncovered for 20 minutes in a 350 degree oven. All right, so the chicken from the stir-fry kit has come out of the oven, 350, remember, 20 minutes. I want to take a thermometer and verify that the largest piece of chicken is temping at 165, which it is, so we're food safe. So the sauce that was boiling is hot now, and I can tell, so be careful during this step. So all I want to do is combine the less sodium orange chicken sauce and the chicken pieces and stir to coat very well. Look at that, that looks delicious. So this is ready to go as is. I would put this over some fried rice, eat it with white rice, over some vegetables or some noodles, but I'm gonna show you how to build a delicious salad with it. So now it's time to assemble the salad portion of this. All I'm doing is, in a large mixing bowl, I wanna mix together the shredded carrots, shredded lettuce, and I've just got some canned mandarin oranges, and I'll combine those together. So, I mean, if you think about it, this is gonna be the salad, the chicken's gonna be the protein, and together they're really gonna combine into a very delicious meal. So let me show you two fun plating options for this salad. So the first way is just a traditional salad build, where I'm going to take 1 cup of the salad and ½ cup of the actual orange chicken. Awesome. The second way is to do a fun salad shaker where you can fill a shakeable container with salad and then come over the top with some chicken. Give it to your guest and they can actually shake it up. So two super fun options here. So as we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic is challenging schools of all sizes across the United States. It's difficult for schools to serve meals in traditional ways. In unprecedented times like this, we must find new ways to serve students outside our cafeterias. And here's one really great idea: the orange chicken salad in a convenient container to take home. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Contact your Schwann's Food Service representative for more info. We'll see you later.